Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restore iPhone from iCloud backup. All right, so first up, if you have a new phone, just skip this first step and just listen closely to the second step. Now, if you got this phone or an old phone, you can go ahead and tap on settings. And then in here, go ahead over to general, tap on it. And once done, go ahead and scroll all the way down and find transfer or reset iPhone. So just tap on it. Now tap on erase all content and settings. All right. Now before you do this, just a disclaimer, make sure that you have everything backed up. Because if you don't back up your recent photos, well, it won't be restored. Okay. So just go ahead and tap on, continue right here, follow the basic prompts. And then once done, for the new phone and the old phone, if it's turned off, go ahead and turn on your device, and then you should see the hello screen. So just go ahead and set it up, choose the language, connect to a Wi-Fi, and make sure that you do not skip the Wi-Fi step, as you cannot restore backup over cellular data. Okay? Keep proceeding through the steps until you reach the screen titled Apps and Data, or transfer your apps and data. So just basically tap on Restore from iCloud Backup, sign into your iCloud account, okay? And then look at the dates and sizes of the available backups and choose the most relevant one from the list. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to restore an iPhone from iCloud Backup. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.